It's Friday, December 5th, and I'm standing on the beaches of Lake Ontario, well west of Toronto. In fact, I can see Toronto from where I'm standing right now across the lake, and, well, it looks like a tiny toy model of itself. But it is a cold and gusty day here despite the sunshine. The wind coming in off the lake is really bringing that big lake bite with all the moist air just pins and needling its way right into my flesh. But the core of my body's warm. I just think it's going to be a challenging day to be out shooting with this cold wind. Regardless, I'm out here today to visit the RATTRAY Marsh, which is a 94-acre conservation area, a mix of marshland and forest reserve. And for the marshland portion, you're able to see it via an interwoven boardwalk that both weaves its way through and is elevated above the marshland section. And then when that boardwalk ends, another one begins, taking you into the forest in a loop section that eventually brings you back to the boardwalk. And what I'm hoping to see today is some wildlife. It won't be long until this entire park is blanketed in snow. So I thought I'd come out just at the very, very end of fall and before winter really hits and see what wildlife can be found. So I'm going to make my way into the marsh right now, try to get some circulation going in my fingers, and hope that we find something to put under the lens. Coming up to what I call the junction of the boardwalk, and it's basically where two sections come together at a corner, and this corner overlooks the bulk of the marsh as well as Lake Ontario proper, and the wind really does whip in through that little opening between the trees, but it's died down for the moment, and it's actually turned into a very lovely, if frigid, day. That was unexpected, and also a lot of fun to see those three deer. Mother with her two little babies, and also got to witness some sweet moments of the mother taking care of her young. And I almost didn't see them, you know, they're the same color as the bulrushes at this time of year, and I thought I saw some movement, then I stopped and I just waited. Then I saw the movement. As soon as you see the movement, you can kind of get the outline. But then the two little babies were a surprise. I didn't see them at first, but hopefully I got some shots. But now it's time to keep making my way along this boardwalk, see if anything else is going to jump in front of the lens. Well, I completed the boardwalk section that overlooks the marshland. And after the deer, unfortunately, I didn't see any other wildlife. But now I'm entering the forest section. It's a loop that leads me right back to the boardwalk eventually. And it's much quieter, and I can hear birds, Carolina wrens, also black-capped chickadees, and others. But I haven't seen any yet, so hopefully something will jump out. But I'm going to make my way along this forest track and eventually reconnect with the boardwalk at the end. Well, that was an exciting find. I was exploring some of the feeder pathways that lead into the main loop. And just up one of these feeder paths on the left side, I saw a stag that had broken off in, I guess, a windstorm. And at the top of it, there was a large cavity about the size of a watermelon. And I thought to myself, I wonder what's living in there. Couldn't see anything from the outside, but when I got the long lens out and pointed it in there, I'm pretty sure there's an owl in there, and I'm pretty sure that owl is a great horned owl, with one eye open, staring at me, staring at him. Very cool experience, and can't wait to get home and check out the footage. But in the meantime, time to get back on the trail, keep moving, and see if I can't find anything else. The remainder of that forest walk was lovely. Lots of little boardwalks and twists and turns. Basically a ravine of sorts, but unfortunately no more birds to be seen or animals to be seen. So I'm going to make my way back onto the boardwalk now and start heading back to the truck, and maybe we'll get lucky along the way. Wow. Today, the wildlife hits just keep coming. I barely made my way back onto the boardwalk when I just happened to glance over the edge. I saw a river otter staring right up at me. He played around in the water for a while, broke through some ice, and then eventually caught himself a fish, ate it tail first, then sunned himself, and then disappeared again. But what an incredible wildlife day. And I'm glad that it's finishing up right around now because my fingers are so cold, I think I'm gonna have to use my teeth to turn off my camera. And I've got about 1 power bar left in my battery. So I'm gonna wrap things up here. Thank you so much for coming along on this late fall wildlife hike, and we hope to see you on the next one.